Diving into the next VC portfolio is Electric Capital, which notoriously holds many popular cryptocurrencies in their portfolio, such as Layer 3, NEAR, ZEX, and many others with great potential for the coming bull run. And that's why in this video, we're going to pick out 10 altcoins in the Electric Capital portfolio that we believe have great potential. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. Use the burner wallet if you feel more comfortable, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Friends, let's dive straight into the video. So my friends, we're officially on the Electric Capital website, which is electriccapital.com. We've got the official X page, which is at Electric Capital. Give them a follow and turn on the notification bells to stay up to date with their portfolio. And then my friends, we're also going to use coinmarketcap.com to look at all the prices of the altcoins in this video. And then once and for all, we're going to use market cap of, where we'll give you some rough price predictions for each altcoin that is mentioned in this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to briefly explain what Electric Capital is and who they are, and then of course we're going to pick out 10 altcoins in no particular order, of which we believe have great potential for the coming bull run. Now, although there are other altcoins in the portfolio, guys, we are going to pick out 10. Bear in mind, none of this is financial advice, my friends. I am not a financial advisor, therefore you must conduct your own research at all times. So on the website of Electric Capital, guys, we can deep dive into the portfolio of this venture capitalist. We have got latest news as well, so you can find out the latest partners, you can find out the latest developments made by Electric Capital themselves and their team. Here you can read all about it, and I highly recommend going through it if you are interested in Electric Capital's portfolio. We've also got their approach. So crypto founders see the future. We work with them to build it. Crypto founders need a new kind of partner, one with deep understanding of community governance, token economics, cryptography, and distributed systems. Hands-on protocol expertise. Governance. Founders leverage Electric's deep knowledge of governance frameworks and can rely on us to participate actively. Liquidity. We work closely with founders to stake tokens and provide liquidity where and when they need it. Tokenomics. Founders work closely with Electric to craft the best tokenomics for their product and community. Therefore, guys, you can see that Electric Capital can help with the governance of the protocol, can also help with liquidity of a protocol and token, and of course can help design the tokenomics of a protocol to help make it as successful as possible. Therefore, they've got teams behind to help every protocol that Electric Capital is invested in. We've got product and strategy guidance, where you can have a design service where you can design user interfaces. We've got interview design, so great founders need great teams. We've interviewed hundreds of people at top tech companies and can help teams design robust interview loops. Metric designs. Founders need to focus on the right metrics for their protocol. Our technical team can help identify and dashboard the metrics that matter most. Thoughtful community building. A global village. Founders join a world-class community that spans other crypto founders and industry experts. These groups come together for intimate dinners and events. Protocol partnerships. We proactively look for opportunities to connect great founders and communities to one another. Therefore, Electric Capital could connect NEAR protocol with Layer 3, for example, creating a perfect partnership where Electric Capital sees it right. We've got the advisor network as well, so you can see some great names under the Electric Advisor Network, where here you can take a good look yourself. However, you can take a further look into the team, the resources behind Electric Capital, but what we're here to do is pick out 10 altcoins by going through the portfolio. Now, like I said, guys, there are a few altcoins, more of which we can go through, but we're only going to pick out 10. Here in alphabetical order, you can see everything that Electric Capital is invested in crypto-wise, which they are a crypto-dedicated venture capitalist, one of the largest in fact. They haven't got as many investments as other VCs such as Coinbase, Binance, and so on. They are on the smaller side, however, they've picked out some great protocols, and some of which we are going to go through in this video to help us get some great returns in the bull run. Now, like I said before, I'm not a financial advisor, and all of these could go completely sour. Not saying to buy any of these guys, but I'm doing my own research and I actually own a few of these altcoins, which I will be mentioning in this video. But like I said, none of these altcoins will be listed in any particular order. But guys, let's go through the first altcoin over on CoinMarketCap, and that is going to be Layer 3. And this is a newly launched token, which we have covered many times on our YouTube channel by going through the airdrop of Layer 3. We've got a third airdrop right now as well, which you can get hold of, all of which we're going to be making a YouTube video next week. So stay tuned on the YouTube channel, as we'll be covering the third part to the airdrop tutorial of layer 3, and we have done this one many times and we have actually got a good portion of tokens by using this protocol. However, I'm very bullish on layer 3, the protocol, the token itself, and therefore I have listed this token as it is in the Electric Capital portfolio, as we can see over down here where it says layer 3. It is a crypto platform that provides tools for DAOs, but it is way more than that, guys. It is a quest platform for everyone, for more than just developers, but mainly for users. Now it's got over 1 million active users, many are staking this token. There are more airdrops to come, therefore you can get a good portion just by following our airdrop tutorials, like I said. However, in the future, guys, I do believe that this price will not be as it is right now. However, I think it will go a lot higher because it is going to be a leading protocol in the future of the bull run, in my personal opinion. Now, as we can see, layer 3 is currently priced at 5 cents. It has got a minuscule market cap of $18.64 million, and it is down bad because of the current market conditions that we've all experienced with every cryptocurrency in the market, basically. However, I think there is great potential, guys. It is already listed on some major centralized exchanges. I personally think they are going to expand the token to other networks, especially layer 2s. However, for now, it's on the Ethereum network, and I personally believe that this token can go to great heights. Therefore, overall market cap of, my first price prediction is for the L3 token to reach the market cap of Trader Joe at $100 million, meaning that layer 3 would do a 5.43x and reach the price point of 27 cents. Now, to me, guys, this is a rough price prediction and a first stop in the bull run. However, if I was to go into a more of a degen price prediction, one that I think is entirely possible to achieve, and that is for it to roughly reach the market cap of Pendle, which has got a market cap of $421 million, taking the L3 token to roughly a price point of $1.14 by jumping up 22x. Now, for me, anywhere between $1 and $1.50 for the layer 3 token would be a nice stop in the bull run. However, I do think it has the potential to reach $1 billion market cap. But I'm going to leave all of these altcoin price predictions short and sweet, as we have 10 to go through, and we'll be here forever if I was to give you multiple price predictions for each token. However, in the future, we'll go through more price predictions for each and every one of these tokens, and obviously do a deep dive if you want us to, which you can let us know in the comment section down below. But for now, my friends, we're going to move on to the second altcoin, and as you can see over on Electric Capital in their portfolio, we have got dYdX, and this is one of the leading decentralized exchanges when it comes to perpetual, margin, and spot trading. Now, dYdX is in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. This was one of the best investments from Electric Capital in my personal opinion. As we can see, they've got a price point of just under $1 with a market cap of $611 million and above, ranking them the 87th largest crypto by market cap. Now, we are on a big decline due to market conditions, just like everything else, like I mentioned. However, in the past, the dYdX token has seen an all-time high of $4.53, and that was only just 5 months ago. Guys, this token hasn't been around for that long and has the potential in a bull run to exceed great heights, and in my personal opinion, I really think it will. dYdX has a massive user base, they've got great features, they've got a great working DEX, and therefore I think in the future this will be a great token. So overall market cap of, I could personally see the dYdX token reaching the market cap of Thorchain Rune at $1 billion, taking dYdX up 4.69x and reaching the price point of $4.63. However, one step above this, to give you a more of a degen price prediction, I would say dYdX has the potential to reach the market cap of Render at $1.9 billion, taking it up 8.43x and taking it to around $8.33. I do believe there is more potential behind this token, guys. However, anywhere between $7.50 to $15 is a nice price prediction for the dYdX token, in my personal opinion, and this is a great shout from Electric Capital. However, moving on to the third altcoin in the portfolio as we go over to their website, if we scroll back up, we have got Aurora, an EVM built on the Near protocol, which is going to be another altcoin we will be mentioning, however, haven't mentioned yet, providing a high throughput, scalable platform with low fees. Although the chart looks absolutely terrible, guys, I do think this one, guys, has great potential to do a big spike. I'm not saying by any means necessary that it's going to happen. This is more on the riskier side. However, it has seen an all-time high of $35.43, and whether or not we will see that all-time high is probably not going to happen, but it very well could happen. It is listed on huge exchanges such as Coinbase, Bybit, Gate.io, HTX, KuCoin, Mexi, Crypto.com, BingX, and many more. But still, guys, that does not mean it is going to rise rise up to $35. But why don't we move over to market cap of and give some rough price predictions for the Aurora token, in my personal opinions. So that's why my first price prediction is for the Aurora token to reach the market cap of Woo at $268 million, taking up Aurora 4.3x and reaching the price point just above 50 cents. This to me is a nice price prediction, guys, but I do think it can go beyond this. I'm hoping that it can reach the dollar mark, and if it does, it would have to roughly reach the market cap of Conflux CFX at $533 million, taking Aurora up 8.55x and reaching the price point of $1.07. Now, like I said, guys, this is more on the riskier side of the altcoins on this list, but I do think it has good potential as it coincides with both Near and Ethereum, two amazing networks. However, this is not financial advice and this is just a rough personal price prediction, but I do think it could go way beyond $1 if all goes well. But once again, let's move on to the next altcoin on the list, which is going to be the fourth one, and we just mentioned it, and that is going to be the Near protocol, which is the protocol that coincides with Aurora. Now, Near is one of the largest layer ones out there. It's potentially one of the best altcoins, if not the best altcoins in their portfolio right now. As you can see here, Near is ranked the 20th largest crypto by market cap on the top 100. They are currently priced at $3.76 with a market cap of $4.1 billion, up 122% from inception. Now, as we can see down here, guys, Near has reached an all-time high 3 years ago in 2022, just after the last bull run, where it reached an all-time high of $20.42. And in my opinion, I believe that it's going to exceed this all-time high. Therefore, over on market cap of, my first stop for the Near token is for it to reach the market cap of Tron TRX at $10.7 billion, taking it up 2.58x, reaching the price point of almost $10. However, I do believe that it can exceed its previous all-time high, and therefore for it to do so, I personally think it could reach the market cap of Ripple XRP at $28.6 billion, making Near rise above its previous all-time high of $20, taking it up to around $26 and doing just under a 7x. This to me is extremely possible and still quite conservative. However, in a bull run, I would love to see Near above the $20 mark, reaching around $25 to $50 in my personal opinion. However, let's move on to the fifth altcoin on this list within the Electric Capital portfolio, and that is going to be Zeta Markets on Solana, a decentralized finance, futures, and options exchange. Similar to the one that we've already mentioned earlier, which was dYdX, this is home to the Solana network. It is very new. It was also an airdropped token. It has got an extremely minuscule market cap of $4.1 million with a price point of 0.02 cents. It is down bad by 77% since its airdrop. Also, during the rough market conditions, there are probably going to be more airdrops for this protocol. However, there could be great opportunities behind this token. It is currently listed on a few major centralized exchanges, and it does have the opportunity to be listed on more. This is on the riskier side once again, guys, but like I said, I'm going to keep these all short and sweet, and therefore over on market cap of, my first price prediction is for Zex to reach the market cap of Solen's market cap of $34.7 million, which is another protocol on the Solana network, and that would take up Zex to around 22 cents, doing an 8.44x. This is quite conservative in a bull run. If Solend has this now, what's stopping Zex from having this in a bull market condition? However, like I said, this is on the riskier side, but if I was to give you a complete degen price prediction, then I would say that Zex could potentially reach the market cap of Shiba Swap Bone at $100 million, taking Zex up around 24.8x and reaching the price point of 65 cents. Now, this is extremely degen, guys, and I'm not saying this is going to happen, but it very well could if all goes well. Now, let's move on to the next altcoin, which is going to be number 6. And this is going to be another great investment choice in my personal opinion, one of the best on their list. And that is going to be Celo, an EVM-compatible Layer 2 network focused on mobile devices. Celo has got some major partnerships. They have got a price point of 44 cents with a market cap of $240 million. They have seen an all-time high of $10.66 3 years ago in the previous bull run of 2021. They are down bad, guys, but we could very well see some huge spikes. They are listed on major centralized exchanges already, the biggest and the best, and in my personal opinion, I very well could think that Celo could rise to great heights and potentially even reach its previous all-time high. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but it very well could. And therefore, over on market cap of, guys, my first price prediction is for Celo to reach the market cap of Arbitrum, another Layer 2, meaning that it would do a 7.12x and reach the price point of $3.14. Although this wouldn't take it to its previous all-time high, I think this is a great first stop. And my next price prediction, a little bit more degen, is for it to reach the market cap of Polkadot at $6.35 billion, meaning it would exceed its previous all-time high and reach a price point of $11.66, jumping up 26.43x. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but it very well could, guys, if all goes well and Celo becomes a leading layer 2 of the next bull run. It could happen, and I'm not saying it will, but there is great potential behind the Celo protocol, and we will be diving more into this network very soon in the future. However, once again, we are going to move on to the 7th altcoin of this list, and this one is another personal favorite, guys, that they are holding in their portfolio, and that is another reason as to why we are sharing Electric Capital's investments, and that is going to be the Osmosis token, which is home to the Cosmos ecosystem and is the leading decentralized exchange of that ecosystem. Now, we have dived into Osmosis in the past, we have provided you with tutorials, we've done many things around Osmosis. However, we are going to be deep diving more in the future. Nonetheless, Osmosis is currently priced at 36 cents with a market cap of $247 million. I know the chart looks absolutely terrible, guys, but in the past, Osmosis has done some crazy spikes, and in my personal opinion, in the bull run again, I think this is going to happen. They have survived the bull run, guys. They are consistently thriving with their protocol. They are the leading decentralized exchange of Cosmos. Once Cosmos starts to thrive again, Osmo, in my personal opinion, is going to jump to extreme heights. It is currently seen an all-time high of $11.21 at the end of the last bull run, or just a bit after it, when the bear market was just starting, where it reached an all-time high of $11.20 and is now down 96.7%. In my personal opinion, guys, we've got great buying opportunities here, and I've still got my Osmo myself, and I'm in fact staking it, and we've also got staking guides which you can check out on our YouTube channel. However, my first price prediction for the Osmo token is for it to reach the market cap of Optimism at $1.5 billion, taking it up around 6.2x and reaching the price point of $2.27. I think this is a nice price target for the first part of the bull run. However, at the very peak, in my personal opinion, I think it has the potential to reach the market cap of Uniswap at $4.4 billion, the leading decentralized exchange of Ethereum, meaning that Osmo would jump up 17.85x and reaching the price point of $6.55. Now, as much as I want to see the Osmo token reach its previous all-time high, I like to be a little bit realistic. Although this might not happen itself, I think anywhere between $5 to $15 for the Osmo token would be a beautiful price target in my personal opinion. However, that is not financial advice, and moving on to the 8th altcoin on this list, we are going to move over to the portfolio once again, and that is going to be for the Gitcoin token, which is a platform that enables open source developers to monetize their work when it is used. Now, Gitcoin has a passport that many of us may have, and we've used it in the past, but once again, guys, moving over to CoinMarketCap, although I don't think this is going to be one of the best altcoins of the crypto market, although I don't think this is going to be one of the best altcoins of the bull run, I do think there is some good potential for it to rise. Looking at the chart, guys, it is not the worst of the list out of the ones that we've mentioned. It has got the potential to make some nice spikes. At the moment, it's currently priced at 63 cents with a market cap of $50 million, which is relatively small. We've got an all-time high of $29, which occurred in the peak of the last bull run in November of 2021 when it reached $29. Me personally, I don't think it will happen again, but it very well could. Nonetheless, overall market cap of, in my personal opinion, a nice price target would be for it to reach the market cap of GMX at $200 million, taking it up 5.22x and reaching the price point of $3.34. This is a nice price target, and like I said, guys, before, I don't think it's going to go to ridiculous prices, but anywhere around this sort of price point, $3.34 to around $6, in my personal opinion, would be a nice price target for Gitcoin. However, it very well has the potential to reach the market cap of $1 billion if they get more partnerships and, of course, more developers are starting to use the platform. However, back over onto the Electric Capital Investments portfolio, we are going to scroll slightly up and we are going to now go through EigenLayer, the restaking protocol of Ethereum, which has gained a lot of attention and is one that I think will thrive in the bull run. They were another protocol to do an airdrop. However, over on CoinMarketCap, as you can see, we have not got any price tracking information on EigenLayer. However, the airdrop for this token is coming very soon. People have already got tokens ready to go. This is going to be a token, in my opinion, that will do wonders. I don't know exactly if this is going to be true. I could be completely wrong, my friends. However, looking at similar tokens like liquid stake tokens, the governance tokens anyway from Lido DAO and Rocket Pool, they have got major market caps. And if we look at CoinMarketCap's main website and we scroll down, as we can see, Lido DAO has currently got a market cap of $1 billion, whereas the staked Ethereum token has a larger market cap. However, my friends, I do think that EigenLayer will launch within the top 100 in my personal opinion. There are major deposits within the protocol, and I personally think that is going to be a thriving protocol within the next bull run. Although I can't give you price predictions right now, in the future we very well will. And there are many other tokenless projects within the Electric Capital portfolio, which I'll mention later. But finishing off with the last and final token of this video, we are going to scroll down and I'm going to show you the Octopus Network, a crypto network for launching and running Web3 application-specific blockchains. Now, in my opinion, this is more on the degen side. Once again, the chart doesn't look very healthy. It has got a price point of 13 cents with a market cap of $12.8 million. The tokenomics, in my opinion, are a little bit better when comparing it to the other ones that we've shown you on the riskier side. However, Octopus has seen an all-time high of $7, roughly at the end of the last bull run and starting the last bear market, where it is down now 98%, and that $7 price point doesn't look too likely to happen again. But that isn't to say that it's not going to happen, my friends. It very well could reach that sort of market cap. We would need to see some more centralized exchange listings, as there aren't that many big ones that it is listed on right now. It has got some big partnerships. It is backed by some major VCs, but this could very well be a dead token. Who knows, my friends? But if we do see some major partnerships, some more centralized exchange listings, and some more developments coming from Octopus Network, and who knows, we could very well see some nice and delicious pumps. Now, my first price prediction is for the Octopus Network token OCT to reach the market cap of Nakamoto Games Naka at $47 million, taking Octopus up 4.5x if all goes well. Now, if I was to go a completely degen step beyond this, then I would say that OCT has the potential to reach the market cap of Cartesi CTSI, which has a market cap of $101 million, taking OCT up above the $1 price point at $1.29, jumping up 9.59x. Now, guys, this is still not very degen. However, it can reach higher prices if all goes well, like I mentioned, with all the reasons like I said. And I do know this is more of a degen token to invest in. However, it could be one worth doing your research on. It might not be. However, all of these altcoins, guys, have good potential in my personal opinion. However, I am not a financial advisor and I do not give any financial advice. Now, looking over back on Electric Capital, they've got other protocols which haven't got tokens. Some also do have tokens. But like I said, guys, I would highly advise to do your own research and check out as many protocols as you wish on the Electric Capital portfolio. Now, this is a great way of finding new altcoins to add to your portfolio, my friends. VCs obviously have some great teams behind them, and they are obviously finding the best investments for their company. Although some of them might not be great and there are a lot of failures, there is potential to obviously find a great token, one that could take your portfolio to the next level. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to happen, my friends, but this is personally what I do myself. I always do my research through many VC portfolios. I see which ones they share, I see which ones they are investing in, and then I do my own research and decide whether or not I'm going to invest in it. Now, in the future, guys, we'll be covering more VC portfolios like we have done in the past on our YouTube channel, as we've gone through Coinbase and Pantera Capital. If you want to check those out on our YouTube channel. We've got so much content on our YouTube channel, all of which you can check out for free. Obviously, YouTube is a free platform where you can check out all this content, guys, which we provide for you on a daily basis, 5 times a week. Now, my friends, we appreciate you all so much. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading, and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides, and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, dgens.